Fuck! 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 Fuck!
This is my outfit for today, and if you don't like it, you could leave. Okay, love you.
Hey, Mom.
What?
Hands up. You drop your weapon. Ew, Mom!
Get it, girl!
Here we go. Our Father who art in heaven.
Oh, I thought he was gonna fall down.
You got that, Chris?
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
I heard that.
Chupapi Muñeño? Muñeño? Chupapi? Yes. Yeah, I heard you guys needed some mannequins.
No, here, nobody. You need to go another place in the mall.
Oh, no extra mannequins?
Muñeño.com.
Oh my god, oh my god, you guys, I am so sorry. Are you serious? That was your phone? I'm really sorry, you guys. I'm recording right here. I do these videos on TikTok where I actually loot people's stuff and then I actually give them brand new ones after I ruin it. Is this on my phone? Yeah, this is for you. I'm really sorry. I noticed that one was like kind of older, so. What are you doing, Chopper? No, bro, chill. It doesn't work. Here, look, try it. It's nuts. Check it out. Oh my god, Ryan, I'm so sorry, bro. No, Ryan.
Babe, hurry, let's go. We're gonna be late.
I'm coming!
Can you just hurry up and go change your pants?
Oh no, I can get it out.
It looks like you're making it worse.
Don't worry, I'll get it out.
Can you just go change your pants, please?
Don't worry, I'll get it out.
What are you doing?
Oh, he's helping me lick it off. I'll get it out.
Come on, baby.
Don't worry, I'll get it out.
What is going on?
Don't worry, I'll get it out. I got it out.
XXX videos, BBW with MILF. Wait, you guys thought that the ball was gonna hit me? No, it wasn't. Ain't no ball really gonna hit me. Oh, bro,
You want me to swing over a damn mountain?
Ay, yo no me siento segura así, létate. Ya para atrás, déjame tirarte foto, fíjate.
Okay.
Al paso.
Oh, ma'am, you have a really cute shirt.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Are you fucked?
What? She has a cute fucking shirt.
So roll down the window and tell her the next time I see a cute guy, why don't I just roll down the window and tell him how cute he is?
Why don't
Fuck
you?
his shirt.
My God.
Bro.
Hey, you just sniffed my butt?
Yeah.
What? Why, Brian? Jeez.
Go.
You want me to get it again?
Yeah, get it.
Hey! My hat! Oh, get it.
Strawberry lemonade.
Okay.
Strawberry lemonade, bitch. Okay. Yo! Joanna! What the fuck?
Do you want the Arizona
Bitch, why
one?
is you slam it fucking harder next time, bitch?
One?
Slam it harder next time,
Do you want
bitch.
the Arizona
What
one,
the
bitch?
fuck? Yes, the Arizona one, bitch.
Okay,
what the
Arizona.
fuck?
Arizona.
You better fucking not. Oh my fucking god, bitch. You wanna get crazy. This motherfucking girl
You
wants to
want
get
one or
crazy. You wanna get crazy. Let's get crazy, bitch. You wanna slam shit? Let's slam shit. Come on. 1. Come on, bitch. Let's go for a third one. Get the fuck out of my way. 3, bitch. You wanna slam shit? Keep slamming shit, bitch. Acting like the fucking Hulk. Acting like the fucking Hulk. Take care of the motherfucking car, bitch. Got me fucked up.
2, 1. Oh gosh, you guys asked for it. You guys asked for it. Oh! Oh! Woo! Woo! Oh shoot! Huh? Oh! Oh! Oh, it's going! What the heck? Is it gonna explode? Huh? Ooh. Oh! Oh!
Ay, sobrang init. Uy! Ice cream? Oh, yes, let's go! Ice cream, cookies and cream! Oh my god, putang ina.
Hey guys, we're back in Miami and here's what I had so far. I had this corn, amazing, 10 out of 10. But next we got this chicken. It was whatever, but these pancakes from Malibu Farms were amazing.
Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Do you have an ID?
What the hell for? Water?
What? Liquid Death Mountain water. Oh, my bad.
Yeah, pay more attention.
Grandma, you have the chance to win $5,000. All you gotta do is separate the salt from the pepper. You have 15 seconds. Are you ready?
15 seconds?
Come on. Graham, there's an easier way.
You show me an easier way.
3, 2, 1. Graham, you failed. It was easy. Separate the salt from the pepper.
That's bullshit. I'll fucking knock your head off and separate it from the neck, you fucking jerk. And I'll take the fucking money.
I took my boyfriend to Hooters and this happened. So I did this.
Hey, would you be down to flirt with my boyfriend for like a $20 tip? Yeah, sure. Oh my god, thank you.
Here it goes.
Whoa, can she get your number?
Girl, don't even worry about it.
What do you mean don't worry about it?
Hold on, wait, what's going on?
Are you gonna give her your number?
You really want my number?
Yeah, I want your number. That's why I
You're-
sat down to ask for your number.
You're gonna give it to her? Hold on, you're gonna give it to her?